Want to know how to ask Cursor AI to automatically format and clean the code? So sometimes your code can be too messy and you need to just simply format it or clean the code. So instead of doing it manually and making yourself tired, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Cursor AI to do it automatically with just a single prompt. So let's go straight to it. Now first things first, just simply open up your Cursor AI application and make sure you have a code opened up. So I have this C# code with me right here. So what you need to do is you need to just simply select the entire code, which is Ctrl+A. Now here you should be seeing two options: we get it and add to chat. Since we're editing the code, just simply select we get it, and you should be on the prompt and it should show something like this right here. Now just simply type in this. Now once you have typed in the code, here you should be seeing the results popping up. Now just simply like keep in order to keep the code, or you can just simply select undo to make a different one. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.